Compound interest is truly magical, so let's uncover its magical properties. Well, let's say that you invest in a savings account, right? As a little thanks for putting your money in that specific savings account, you'll get interest on your money from the bank, which will increase your money, albeit by a small margin. That may seem great. Nevertheless, if you had compound interest, you would not only receive the interest that you earned on your money, but also on the interest that you've already earned. Think of compound interest as interest on top of interest. If we look at an example from the money books, we'll see that if you open an account with $500, add $500 to the account every month, and have an interest rate of 9%, then your $500 initial investment will grow to $3,730,707.53 in 45 years rather than $270,500 with simple interest in 45 years. Compound interest is certainly magical, so you're probably wondering where you can experience the magic of compound interest. And I'll tell you that you probably won't get it from your local bank. We've mentioned it before, but banks typically loan out your money for high interest rates, but pay you a small sum of interest for keeping your money with them. This way, the banks make a lot of money, but you're stuck with a small increase in your wealth. As a result of this, consider trying the high-yield savings account, bonds, or perhaps even money market accounts. I'll link some sources down below for additional research. See you later.